Yeah, Rakshada, you may continue.
So, Miss, many of us have experienced this kind of stuff, or I've actually seen people experiencing this kind of things. But we have every single time we have tried to speak up about it, we are told that we are too young or too immature or do not have enough experience. But in this club, I like that we do not treat children as someone who is immature or someone who cannot make a difference in this world. Whenever we see a problem, we don't only speak up about it, we actually take steps towards fixing that problem. I have been a part of the Actisans for the past 2 years, and it has taught me a lot about the government, how to become a better leader as well as a better citizen of this country. I like to think that by being a part of this group, I have take at least one step towards making India a better a country for people to live in. And I hope that y'all will elect me for the post of secretary and help me take more steps towards making India a better country for people to overall to live in. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rakshada. The next candidate?
Miss, can you hear me?
Yeah.
My name is Banshida Biswal from class 7th A. I'm going to become the secretary of the Activism Club. And I'm the best person for this job because I am responsible for the administration of the club and I can deal with anything and handle all correspondence. I'm a good communicator. I can ensure that all members are kept informed of times and venues for meetings. I can give proper notice as detailed in the society's constitution to take minutes of meetings and write up all minutes correctly and in good time. I can keep a permanent record of minutes of all clubs.
Baba, you can keep your camera on.
Okay, miss.
And which post, Baba, you're contesting?
Secretary.
Okay, secretary. Yeah, continue.
I can keep a permanent record of minutes of all clubs. I will do my best for this job. Please vote for me if you think I'm fit for this position. Thank you.
Thank you, my girl. The next candidate?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, Myral. Put your camera on.
Yes, miss. Okay, miss.
Yeah.
Teach all the students here. My name is Michael Piris and I am from 7C. I would like to contest for the IT officer. As I was in activism for over a year now, I would like to be more involved in it. I can be true and will interact with. I will do my best in all the week. I will be active. I promise to do my work effectively.
Thank you, Myral. The next candidate? I request Vanya to post the Google form link for the students to fill the form, and the participants, the voters who are there, including the candidates who are contesting election, the candidates as well as the voters, you can fill the Google form and cast your vote. In that form, there are options given for you.
Miss.
There are these 5 posts, president, vice president, secretary, and there are options. The contestants' names are there. So according to your choice, you can vote for them and submit that Google form now itself when the session is on. Once that session is over, we will not take any more votes. So
Miss.
use that link to be posted in the chat box. Same time, all those who have already given the speeches and all can also fill the Google form. The participants, the voters, the other members, you can fill that form and cast your vote. Yes. The next candidate, please
Miss,
continue. Yes.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, good morning to all. I am Annette Fernandez from class 7th A. Before I start, I would like to know about your health and safety and hope every one of you is as safe and healthy as I am and my family is. Thank God for keeping us safe. We are in one of the toughest periods of our life as COVID-19 pandemic has created fear in reality and in our imagination. I know we are not able to meet each other physically, but yes, technology has made it possible, at least online. Thank you for
Hello.
letting me. If we have such a facility, why can't we meet and enjoy a life of sitting in one place? And how can we do that? Activism Club of our school. What can be an amazing opportunity to be part of activism club of our school. During the last 6 years at school, I was part of many activities, and I believe that I have leadership qualities, and I can offer these qualities work hard and the ability to work with others even during most difficult circumstances while still keeping a sense of humor, responsibility, and interest. The first thing I want and I will do is make myself happy and others happy too. I want to smile myself and see others smiling. I will introduce ideas for events and actively work towards achieving these ideas into reality. As your vice president, I will stand beside the club president, offering support and stepping in when she is not able to be here or ask for some extra help. I will always be here to listen to your concerns or to help you. I'm asking for your vote for Vice President of Activism Club. I love this school. I want to be helpful and I want us all to build memories we'll remember and treasure. Let's work together to make our lives more meaningful to ourselves, our community, and a world at large. Thank you.
Thank you. The next candidate?
Hello.
Yeah.
Trying to be the voice of DA. I joined the acting club this year, so I'm really hoping to learn a lot. I believe I will do my best so I can help and make this a great.
Diona, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah. Diona, could you please start? Unmute.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hello everyone. I'm from the Voice of DA. I have joined Activism Club this year and a lot from you. I believe as I do my best and help contribute and make this a better place. I am so
Hello? Girls? Yes, your voice was breaking.
I think we can move on with the next candidate.
Yeah, the next candidate. Yeah, it's okay, Diana. We have recorded your this, so don't worry. Move on to the next candidate.
Miss,
I
everyone
request
has
again,
spoken.
you fill the form, Google form, girls. Before you are done with the session, make sure that you fill the Google form. The link is already sent in the chat box. All the participants quickly click on that link and vote for your candidate. All the participants, I request all 24 participants to cast your vote. Open that link and click the options which are given under each portfolio. Continue. The next speaker.
Miss, all the candidates have spoken.
All are done?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, thank you very much. The candidates, I am very grateful to you all for taking this short, within that short time which was given for you. You have really done a good job by keeping your speech ready. A small reminder for all the participants, whether you get the portfolio, whether you get the position or not, you are an active member. You are now an actizen. So you are all involved in all the activities which will be now conducted by our club. So what we have tomorrow is one activity which is been conducted by Vanya, Sai and Dipti. They are organizing this activity on their own. So they are the organizers. All right. So the first week activity is already done, which is given by the Desh Apnaye Club. It's already done by Kata and her other partners. So on 16th, we have the school activity. All right. It is Snake Day activity. All right. Vanya will make us aware and give us the details of this activity in the WhatsApp group. But just a reminder for all the participants to take part in that Snake Day activity, which is on 16th July at 11:15. The link for that same will be sent to you later on. On 17th is our installation ceremony. So the members, the candidates who are voted and they have taken the positions, we will call you personally or we will SMS you personally on your WhatsApp number and we will inform you to have a short meet. There we will give you the instructions, what will happen for the installation ceremony. All right, so that update will be done on 16th. We'll have a meet to give you all the instructions on the same day. 16th itself will give you the instructions to get ready for the ceremony. All right.
Yes, Miss.
Vanya, did you get the responses?
Miss, I have got 19 responses till now.
Who is what is the number? Total
19.
number of participants? 19
We are
only?
23. Yeah, we are 23, but I have got 19 responses.
23. So two girls did not fill the form.
Miss, till then, can we click the picture?
Yeah, please, I request all the participants, all the members of the Actizens to put your camera on. Dipti, you know. Kata, is it done?
Yes, Miss Done, I guess.
So we are done for the day. Vanya?
Miss, I've sent you the names.
Yeah, you're sending it to me on my WhatsApp number, no?
Yes, miss. It's already gone.
All right, all right. We will do the counting and we will upload the result maybe tomorrow morning. Okay, girls?
Okay, Miss.
Yeah. So we are done for today. Thank you very much for all your efforts. Thank you very much for the voters, the participants, the active members. Thank you for being there. And we hope that you will continue working with us the way how the members were working. Thank you very much. God bless you all.
Thank you, Miss. Have a nice day ahead.
Yeah, you too.
Ma'am, can I leave the meeting?
Yeah, you may leave the
Thank you,
meet.
Miss.